just graduating the 8th grade.
Wow.
Yeah.
When is she graduating? On Friday night too?
Friday day, I think this is what they're doing Friday.
During the day?
Yeah.
What
8:30 in
time?
the morning.
Nuh-uh. I tell you we'd come, but I gotta work at 8:30 in the
We got
morning.
the invites on the chart that says 8:30 a.m.
Jenny, what time towers?
And we got Philip.
7.
Nice, Bill!
There you go, Paige.
Where'd Jordan go anyway? He's right here.
Come on, Thomason, you can do it.
Double play right here.
Jordan would have brought his 4-wheeler over here, wouldn't you?
Couldn't if he could have.
Right to the wood.
Lemon
Shy broke mine too. She broke the tie rod in.
He did. Dang her soul.
Yep.
He's been a teenager for 2 years. Breaking.
Hers naughty.
He will.
Watch it now, you can get those. You can't have those good too.
Does he want a snack?
I know, because I was just going to get them.
Here, you guys. Somebody want that chair?
Where you going?
Right here with Jordy. Jordan, honey. Can I just...
What, Bob? What happened? Bob?
They do that.